Hi guys, welcome back. My name's Lacey Elizabeth, and today we are testing out the new Veil line by Hourglass. So if you want to see how I create this amazing makeup look and how these products wear, keep watching. So this is a brand new launch from Hourglass. I walked into Sephora, I saw it there, I picked it up, I was like, okay, I want this. So basically, we've got this one right here, which is the Veil Soft Focus Setting Spray. We have this one right here, which is the Veil Mineral Primer, which is an oil-free face primer. And this one, we have the Veil Eye Primer by Hourglass. And then we have the Veil Translucent Setting Powder by Hourglass. These right here, I'm so excited to unbox these with you guys. Put them on my face. We'll do a wear test. I'll take it outside. I'll show you guys how it wears throughout the day because, you know, primers, right? We gotta test that. All right, I'll see you in a moment. Hi guys. So basically this one right here, this one is a metal can, and this one right here, this one is a glass bottle. So this one is the Veil Mineral Face Primer, and this one has a squeeze pump on it, so kind of like that. This is the Soft Focus Setting Spray by Hourglass. And this one, ooh, that mist is like unbelievable. Like that's nice. I like that. Okay. There's absolutely no smell. You know, Hourglass, you go with that. I like that. Okay. This one is the Veil Eye Primer. So right here. And this one has just a little tip. This one right here is our final product that we're going to be testing, and this is the Hourglass Veil Setting Powder. So I believe I got the miniature version of this, and this is plastic. Okay, so those are the products that we're testing out today, and for the rest of the products for my base makeup, I'm just going to go in with my faves, my ride or dies. Like, we're going to go in with the Dior right here, which is the Skin Glow Foundation. Again, my color is C1, matches me perfectly. Then we're going to go in with this Born This Way Sculpting Concealer, and I'm going to go in with that like I always do. And then, of course, I can't live without it, my IT Cosmetics Ride or Die. You know, this one's Bye Bye Under Eye. I love it. Can't live without it. These are my holy grail. If I was on a desert island, I would take these with me. Can't live without these particular products. Yes, I'm going to try new foundations. Yes, I'm going to try new concealers in upcoming videos. We're going to get into it. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go in with the face primer by Hourglass, and this is the Veil Mineral Primer. And I'm just going to take one, it's a good amount, but it's tiny, so 2. I've done 3 pumps right here. I'm just gonna warm that up in my fingertips. It's very soft. It's not sticky. I'm literally just putting this where I really need primer. So where I have pores, I'm not gonna say fine lines, but you know, we've all got it. I like this. This is very blurring. It's very pretty. So I've got no makeup on. This is a fresh face. This is really, really pretty. So far, there's absolutely no scent whatsoever. It goes on soft, smooth. I look flawless. I could leave the house looking like this with a little bit of concealer. This reminds me a lot of my go-to Dior primer that I can just put on and leave the house. This is something I would definitely keep in my everyday, you know, collection, providing it wears good. So that I will let you know. So stay tuned till the end of the video because we're going to do a whole wear test. I'm going to take you outside. You know, I'll take you maybe to the store. We'll see. And I'll let you know how this wears. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go in. I'm going to do my foundation and my concealers, both of them, and probably my brows too. And I will be right back. Okay guys, I just thought I'd let you know. So I'm applying my foundation right now, which again is my Dior Skin Glow foundation with my beauty blender. And like, obviously it's a damp beauty blender, we all know that. But it's not tugging, it's going on really nice. You can feel it sticking, and I feel like I should just tell you guys that because that's something you want, is your foundation to grip to it. It's not sticking, it's not pulling, but it's definitely catching that foundation. Yeah, it's definitely doing what it's supposed to. Okay, I'm gonna finish my face and I'll be right back. So basically, I've got my foundation on, which is the Dior foundation. I've got my concealers on, which is the IT Cosmetics Too Faced Born This Way concealer on as well. So now I'm actually gonna go in with the Hourglass eye primer. So again, let me just take this off here. I'm actually gonna use my ring finger. Oh, okay, that's quite a bit. I have like a good pea-sized amount. Like that is a good pea-sized amount. I'm gonna basically just transfer half of it to my other ring finger, so I've separated it, right? I've got, yeah, 2. I'm gonna go in on my eyelid. Okay, so it's thick. I'm just gonna go under my eye just a little bit. I'm gonna go in, do the other eye. It's very smooth, it's very thick. It warms up to your finger and you can blend it. Like, it's not thick like MAC Paint Pot thick, but it is thick. My ride or die eye primer, I'd have to say, is the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. Ever since it came out, I love it. Okay, so it canceled very well. I feel like I'm looking in the monitor and my eyes look really neutral, very canceled. Any pigmentation is gone. It feels tacky, you know, because it's been on for like 30 seconds. So I believe that the eyeshadow will stick to it quite well. My question is because it's so tacky, is it going to skip? We'll figure it out. I'll use a palette that I like quite a bit to do my eyeshadow, and I'll let you know shortly. Okay, so we just put our eye primer on. I'm gonna go in, because I want to set this before it creases, with my Hourglass VEIL translucent setting powder. So again, we're gonna do a complete unboxing here. See, I have claws, and it's like the hardest thing when they don't make a sticker with a little pull tab. Oh wait, there's a pull tab. Found it. Oh my gosh, that sticker is stuck. Okay. Okay, that is a lot of powder. So I'm gonna go in with this Sigma Kabuki F88 brush. And I'm just gonna tap some of that powder onto my brush. So it's like that. And I'm gonna go in, I'm just gonna tap my under eye, make sure that there's no creases. I'm just gonna go in and lightly dust under that under eye. Okay. I'm gonna go in, grab a little bit more, do the other side, tap out any creases. That primer, the Hourglass eye primer, is very tacky. That would be good probably for glitter. I wonder, do I even have a glitter palette with me here at my studio? I'm just gonna go in with my Scott Barnes powder brush, and we're just gonna powder over the rest of the face. I'm not loving this packaging because it's really, I find, hard to get the powder out. I mean, obviously it's travel size. It's meant to just be used while you're traveling. first impressions, I look damn well flawless. I am gonna say I like it. Like, I'm looking directly into the monitor. And yeah, wow. I'm living for this. Like, I'm happy right now. Like, this is pretty amazing. For my eyeshadow today, I'm gonna go in with ColourPop Bare Necessities palette. And yeah, I'm just gonna put a cute little summer fun eye on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so for my bronzer, I'm actually going to take the Scott Barnes bronzing brush right here, which is a number 66. So with my bronzer, I like to go in and just tap it wherever the sun's gonna touch your face naturally. Okay, so for my Scott Barnes bronzing palette, I'm gonna go in with the color Diced. And the brush I'm using is the Scott Barnes contour brush, which is a number 65. Then I'm gonna blend with this e.l.f. brush, my Ride or Die e.l.f. brush. Love it. Yeah, like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my contour brush. I go a little under my chin, jawline, and down my neck. Taking that same e.l.f. brush. I'm never going this way, always down to elongate. Now for lips, I was thinking I would try one of these new Sigma glosses. I'm thinking I'm gonna go in with Secret Garden. Yeah, I think so. So I'm just gonna go in with the gloss. Okay. And the last thing I'm gonna do, or second last thing I'm gonna do, is blush. So I'm gonna take my Scott Barnes blush brush, which is a number 64. I'm gonna go in with this NARS blush in the color Third. I like that a lot. Okay, so for basically our second last step, I'm going to go in with my Fenty highlighter. I'm going to go in with this color right here, and that's called Chic Creek. The brush I'm using to highlight is this MAC 188, I want to say it is. I've literally used it so much that the numbers are worn off. Oh, I like that. A little bit down the bridge of my nose. Cupid's bow. I'm going to take it just under the brow bone. Beautiful. Now we're going to go in with this Veil Soft Focus Setting Spray by Hourglass, and this is our final product that we're testing out today, so super excited about this. Again, it has such a fine mist. I'm so excited. Ready? It feels like almost nothing touched my face. Like, I mean, there's a little bit of a wet there, like obviously. The mist is so fine, like it's gorgeous, like perfect. Love that. Just love that. There's basically no scent to it. It's really, really pretty. Love that mist. I have been in love with Morphe, the continuous mist setting spray, since it launched. And then the new Tarte one, I find the spray on that to be even a little bit better. But this, for a pump, yes, just that's fantastic. 100 gold stars for that one. 100%. I'm going to wear this for a while, take you guys outside with me, and I'll show you what it looks like, and I'll be right back. Hi guys, welcome back. So I've had this on for a hot minute, and I thought I'd come outside, show you guys in the natural light, you know, how this looks. So we're doing a wear test on the brand new Hourglass VEIL products. We have on the VEIL eye primer, the VEIL face primer, the VEIL powder, and also the VEIL setting spray. And look at how flawless this looks. Like, I've had this on for a while. I have like no creasing under the eyes, barely any creasing starting here on my smile lines, and like no creasing. It looks seamless, flawless. There's no color demarcation from the powder. It's a beautiful translucent powder. I love it. The only thing I would do differently is buy the bigger one because I hate the smaller one. So I think I'll take that back and exchange it for the bigger one. But I love this. This is good. I look snatched. I look flawless. This is going to stay in my collection for a while. Like, I love these products. Do I recommend this? Yes. 100%. Gold stars all the way. Yes. Alright guys, I'll see you in a hot minute. Hey guys, that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. I'm uploading 3 times a week, so definitely I'll see you again soon. Remember to smash that like button, smash that notification bell, and definitely subscribe. I appreciate the support. Remember, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys.